Are you tired of uneven edges and time-consuming manual cuts on heavy metal sheets? Welcome to Cruxweld. Today we are thrilled to showcase the ultimate solution for your fabrication needs, the Cruxweld circular profile cutting machine. Let's dive into how this powerful tool can transform your workflow. Let's start with the control module. Designed for simplicity and precision, it features a straightforward power switch, a safety fuse, and a highly responsive speed adjusting dial ranging from 1 to 10. This gives you complete control over the motor's rotation speed to match your metal's thickness. Right above you will find a premium brass connectors for a secure attachment of your oxygen and fuel gas hoses. What makes this machine stand out is its incredible adjustability. Need a larger circle? Simply loosen the tightening screw on the horizontal arm and slide the cutting torch to your extract. And slide the cutting torch to your exact required radius. You can also seamlessly adjust the vertical height using the rear lever. This ensures the perfect distance between the cutting nozzle and your workpiece, guaranteeing a flawless, dross-free cut every single time. Now let's see in real action. After a quick ignition and flame adjustment, the automated motorized arm takes over. Watch as the machine glides independently in a perfect 360-degree circle. The high heat flame slices through the heavy steel effortlessly, leaving a smooth, clean edge within seconds. We can safely extract a perfectly round, solid metal disc. But its capability don't stop there. By readjusting the torch radius, you can easily cut concentric circles to create perfect metal rings. Just a gentle tap, your precision-engineered ring is ready for use. Maximize your industrial productivity, save time, and dramatically minimize material waste. Upgrade your cutting capabilities, equipment you can trust. For inquiries, pricing, or to explore our full range of welding and cutting solutions, get in touch with us. Contact Cruxweld Industrial Equipments Private Limited. For more information, you can visit our site www.cruxweld.com.